Hi guys, it's Patty from Patty's Crafty Spot, and I am here with another video of things the internet made me buy while recovering from foot surgery. So I was on TikTok and surfing, of course, and I happened to come across a page that was live, and it is Plymouth Cards. She was packaging up some orders and stuff and going on about this monthly subscription that she has. You can either sign up for the subscription or you can just do like a one-time buy. So I did a one-time buy. She does this, and this is for doing junk journaling and stuff. I'm not really a big junk journaler, but I figured, well, let's give it a try, do something different. So I said, well, let's go ahead. The theme for this one was going to be flowers. So I said, well, let's give it a shot. So I did already open the box. There was a lot of packaging and stuff in here. So I did remove that. I haven't thoroughly gone through everything, but I did kind of peek at some of it. So my invoice I got. And then when you get your boxes, they are literally filled with newspaper. So she gives you a little card about it, and she teamed up with a local newspaper place to use it as packaging and stuff, and she's really big on recycling and stuff like that. So you get a little flyer as to why it's covered in newspaper. And this is just letting you know that if you wanted to subscribe for the every month and get a thing, that she does offer that. It's a small discount and you can get it every month. I guess they do sell out pretty quickly. She thrifts this stuff, so it's not like she can just go online and buy it. She actually goes out thrifting to make these kits and stuff. So whatever she collects from thrifting is all she has. So they do sell out pretty quickly. So let's start with the first thing. So because this was my first purchase, I received a special code to enter. And when I did that, I got a free gift. So this was my free gift. So it's 2 insert note cards, 2 mini envelopes, holds 4x6 items. So cute little envelope you can put together with some little note cards. Love the color. It's kind of peachy. And I guess it would go like this. So you get 2 of those. And a lot of the stuff she sells are the card links. So you can go ahead and insert them. And you can go ahead and slide your stuff right in the top. And just in case you're unsure, she does have a little instructional card to go ahead. One thing is she's very thorough on notes and little information things, so that's kind of cool. So I got that. And so I got a green one and a white one with 2 envelopes. And okay, so this one here is probably what, 3x5 maybe? Let's see. Yeah, so this would be about a 3x5-ish. So maybe a little more, maybe 4x6, and then you'd have the border. It does say 4x6, but you could probably kind of get away with maybe 3 would fall out actually. Yeah, 3 would fall out. So 4x6. And then you get a little square one, which is for 4x4. And they also have a neat embossing around the borders of these. So that's neat. So that was my little thank you gift. And you can also use the cute little bag. And one of the things I did order was I'm going to do a junk journal, but I wanted to try something different. So, and you got, I ordered these blank cards, cute little tag. You can go ahead and reuse that. And you can also use the nice little string that comes with it too. This is purple and white. I don't know how well the camera's picking that up. So let's see if I can slide it off without. Hold on, let me pause it, and I don't want to cut it. Okay, I got it off. Because it's quite a bit of string that you can use. So oh, that's cute. So even the packaging comes through and you can use it for something too. That's cute. And then again, instructions on how to insert your cards. And these fit 5x7 with the envelopes. And these are, okay, it does. So it does fold over. And it's a nice thick cardstock, and it's also textured, which is really nice. This is picking up kind of a gray or charcoal, but it's actually black. So my thought behind getting these is I wanted to see about making a junk journal, but instead of making pages out of regular cardstock, I wanted to see a way to go ahead and incorporate these as my pages, so I don't have to create the pages, and maybe putting a little binding strip on the back or something. So anyway, that's my thought process when I ordered the kit, was I was going to do something with those and make that the actual the pages. So, and they're nice and heavy too, so put all that in there. All right, and the actual kit, this is for the junk journal. Can I get it out? I can. All right. So I did kind of open it just to peek, but I didn't go through anything. I just opened it just to see kind of what was there, and then I said, all right, let's open it together in a video. So again, the theme for this junk journal kit was flowers. So this is kind of like a foam flower. This feels like that I want to say Floridian, but I know that's not the name, where you make your own paper flowers and stuff. And then in each kit, she put in some ribbon. And each kit's different, so because she does thrift, everybody's kit may look a little different. So what I got might be different, especially the ribbons. So what I got might look a little different from everybody else. So I got those. And let's see. Oops. So she went ahead and punched out some cute little butterflies out of cardstock. And she gives you the negatives, and she gives you the punch out and then also the pieces, so nothing goes to waste. You can go ahead and use all of that. And little birdies. And a hummingbird. And then also too, one of the things that got me when she was previewing this was these seed packets. So these are vintage, obviously. They're older. I don't know if there's even a date on these. But as you can tell, 20 cents, 10 cents. This took me definitely back to being a child and my mom gardening. And these are all unused seed packs. I remember growing zinnias in the mixture. Yep. But as you can tell, these would make really cute pockets. Cute. And I'd have to see if there's a way to actually get the top off, because I'd rather have the pocket from the top down, but we shall see. But anyway, that's all the goodies in that little bag. And I didn't go through the bag, so I'm not really sure. So more cardstock. This will be all like coordinating type of cardstock. And these are little sticker strips. And some more stickers. And some labels, so she lets you know what you can use them, different types of things that you can go ahead and do with them. So you have these couple of labels. And again, more instructions on inserting cards into, or inserting photos and stuff into her cards. And with this one here, there is this one. I think it has the color. I feel like on the video one of her lives. I think it might have been a pistachio. Not sure. And then this one here with the wood grain. And then, of course, more pieces of cardstock. These here are actually, I believe, they are the inserts that you punched out from the cards. So, again, nothing goes to waste. Oops. And then some bigger sheets of cardstock. So you can go ahead and make your own cards. And 2 of each color. And long pieces. And that is all that. Just these right there. All right, and I showed you those. And then you get some kind of pages from journaling. Oh, cute. It has a tab. So everybody was going to be getting something different as well, because she was taking apart some books and stuff. So that's kind of fun that there is one with a tab. So that will be fun to make something. And then some note paper, which is also kind of matching the color palette of everything. And then there was a bunch of books she took apart, and everybody got different pages. So you can go ahead and tear these up, use them as backgrounds. And then pictures of flowers. So you can add more. And again, gardening book. Oh, that's pretty. Whatever I do, I might do that one. That was a pretty picture. And then this is a set of cut aparts as well. I think she went ahead and designed this. She found images, just kind of put them on some paper and printed them out. I have to say the color of those is very high quality color, and the paper is nice and thick, so they would make good embellishments. And some more stuff. And this one. That might make a good cover. And then I believe this is a piece of wallpaper with some flowers on it as well. Actually, that might make a nice cover too if it's big enough to wrap. That could make a very pretty cover. Alrighty, so anyway, I will leave all the information down below to Plymouth Cards if you are interested. Again, I did find them on TikTok, and I was kind of excited to find something on TikTok that was kind of craft related. So that was pretty fun. But anyway, this is another video of things the internet made me buy while I'm recovering from foot surgery. All right, and give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. If I do make something, I probably won't make a tutorial on it, but I might come back with just a share of what I did and walk you through it or whatever. I may do a tutorial on the part, if I do make the book part of it, just to show you how to go ahead and create a scrapbook or a junk journal using the cards, because that would probably need a tutorial for. But as far as putting it together, we'll see. I can't spend more than a couple hours in my craft room every other day, so I can't really overdo it right now, or my foot looks like Puff the Magic Dragon. But anyway, until next time, guys, happy crafting. Bye.